In this video, we are going to make ginger lemonade and then sweet lemonade. Let's go and start. The ingredients are 4 to 5 lemons, a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sabja seeds. These sabja seeds are very healthy. Now we are adding some water to the sabja seeds so that the seeds will get soaked, and within 2 to 3 minutes you can see them expanding in size. And this is ginger juice. Now take these lemons and cut them into two. After cutting them, take a bowl and squeeze them into it. You can also use your hand to squeeze them, but make sure that the seeds are removed completely. Take this juice into a jar. Now you can add 5 to 6 spoons of sugar into it. You can also add extra sugar so that the lemonade will become more sweet. Also add a pinch of salt, like 1/4 teaspoon. Now you have to add some water and ice cubes. I'm using here mixie jar. You can rather use your hand and whisk it well in a glass or a bowl. Now I'm taking 10 to 11 ice cubes and mixing it well. This is the mixture after whisking it with hand or mixing it. Now I'm taking a glass and adding 4 to 5 ice cubes into it. And I'm decorating this glass with the pieces of lemon that which we had cut. And I'm pouring this mixture into this glass and keeping it aside. Now with the remaining mixture, I am adding this ginger juice and I'm mixing it well using a spoon. After mixing it, take a glass and add 4 to 5 ice cubes, and I just garnished it with a ginger slice and a lemon slice. Now add this ginger lemonade into this glass. And yeah, our ginger lemonade and sweet lemonade are ready now. Now you have to add the sabja seeds which we have soaked 2 to 3 minutes before preparing this lemonades. These are very healthy drinks that you can drink on a daily basis. Thanks for watching.